Okay, so as students, I believe that you guys are working on the wish bottle design, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the basic shape of the bottle. Simply saying, it involves two parts. One is the cover, the other one is the body. Okay, so now please have a try. So first of all, you get your paper ready, which is A5 size. That means half of A4. And then to begin with, you have to set up the highest and the lowest part of the bottle. So for me, I will just set up two lines here. You can use ruler to help you if you want. Okay, so by setting the highest and the lowest point, I have to also set up a middle line. So cutting it into half like this. Okay. So, and then as you can see that for the cover part, it's much narrower than the body, okay? So you just approximately mark up the area. For example, for my cover part is about this width, okay, that's height, okay? And then don't forget you have to add the two lines setting the left and the right. So by drawing a straight line, you can somehow lock your arm like this and then draw the straight line. Okay? That you want to adjust the lines that you can. Again. Okay? So this is the cover. Okay, and then please have a look. For the cover here, it is much narrower than the body here. Okay, if you set up the body line here, and then the cover line is much narrower. So I have to set up one more line, cutting it. So this is the bottle, the cover. Okay? And then afterward, for the bottle itself, it has a neck, a very short neck, and then go to this 2-point balance. So I have to set up, for example, the neck will go up to here, and then touching the line of here. And then for the bottom, you can see this is the lower point, but above it, there's two balance points right here, okay? So to set up the point at the bottom part, a little bit higher, the 2 point. So cutting it will be here. And the lowest point will be the cross here, okay? So after setting up the basic proportion of the bottle, then we go back to the cover. Okay, so what to do? So the cover, the top part, this is a oval shape, right? Okay, this shape will lie in this box, okay, in this box. So to draw a perfect oval, you need to mark a cross, okay? So you have the middle line as the reference and mark a horizontal line here. And afterward, at the intersection point, there's 4 intersection points, 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to draw a small blanket. Okay, so for having this small blanket, that it will be much easier for you to join up the lines together to form the shape. So because for the cover, it is a cylinder shape, right? A cylinder form. It won't be a sharp angle like this. So if you draw the oval like this, okay, that will be wrong, okay? So it should be round, like this, understand? Okay, so after checking it, then you can move on to drawing on the thickness, okay, the height of the cover. So for me, I have set up the lines here already, right? This 2 point. So what I need to mark up is how thick is it. So I will just approximately mark the height halfway here, okay? It will be the thickness, okay? Quite reasonable. right? And then you just need to draw the lines again. Touching the pawn. See? Then I have the thickness of the cover. Afterward, then I still need to work on the neck, okay? The short neck, and then to the 2 balance point here. So the 2 balance point has been set here. So what I need to do is just a little bit contracting my lines here, and also make sure that they are balanced. Okay, I need to short neck, and then extend it to touch the pawn at the side, right? Okay, and then for the rest of the part, it's easy because you just need to draw the line again because it's a straight line, okay, and it's somehow touching the pawn that we just set up here, okay. So afterward, this is the lowest part, so we just need to join the lines here, okay. Make sure that the bottle here, it is a round corner instead of a sharp one because this is a cylinder. See? You already got a bottle. And then afterward, you can still add the details. For example, for the cover part, you can see the small short line, okay, to make the fiction part. So you can somehow add those lines here. See? Then you will have a bottle. So for the next part, I'm going to show you how to draw the foreground, midground, and background. See you later.